If you want to enable YouTube restricted mode on a PC, standard browser settings are not enough. Anyone can just click turn it off in 2 seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how to force YouTube restricted mode on permanently. So no kids, students or network users can disable it without admin access. Let's get right into the setup. Click on YouTube profile icon. Then you will find restricted mode is turned off by default. Click on restricted mode. Activate restricted mode. Click here to turn it on. And restricted mode is turned on right now. In this way, anyone can turn off restricted mode. Turn it on again. Restricted mode is turned on. Then click on three dot menu icon on top right corner. Then go to settings. On left menu pane, click on privacy and security. Then click on security option. Scroll down. Here you will find secure connection. Turn it off and on again. Then under advanced, you will find warn you if a password was compromised in a data breach. Turn it on. Under use secure DNS, make sure this option is turned on and select DNS provider. By default, OS default is selected. Click on the drop down here and select clear browsing family filter. Now go to YouTube tab and try to turn off restricted mode. Click on your YouTube profile icon and then click on restricted mode, and you will find the activate restricted mode is grayed out, and you will find a message here turned on by your network administrator to help hide potential mature videos. That's it. This is the easiest way to force YouTube restricted mode on so no one can turn it off. Thank you.